In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for inventory management. Whether you're running a small business or managing a complex warehouse, getting a grip on your inventory is crucial, and Monday.com provides a streamlined way to do just that. Let's walk through the process in clear, easy-to-follow steps. First, we're going to start by heading over to Monday.com. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the Monday website URL. Once you're there, the next thing you need to do is log in to your account. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward, and you can follow the prompts to get started. Assuming you already have an account, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. For convenience, you can log in using your Google account. When you click on the Google login option, you'll be asked to choose your Google account from a list, or you might need to enter your Google credentials if you're using a new device. Once you're logged in and see your dashboard, it's time to create a new board. Look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a small plus icon. Clicking this icon allows you to add a new board, which will be the central hub for your inventory management tasks. Now that you've added a board, you'll want to click on the Template Center. This step is crucial because Monday has prepared various templates to make your setup much easier and faster. The Template Center can be accessed with a single click, leading you to a treasure trove of ready-made board designs. Once you're in the Template Center, it's time to dive into finding the perfect template suited for inventory management. Here, you'll need to type in inventory management in the search bar at the top of the Template Center. This will filter out all the templates that are not relevant and bring your desired template straight to you. You should now see the inventory management template appear among the options. Click on it to get a closer look at what it offers. These templates are designed to be highly adaptable and can fit various inventory scenarios. The final step is simple. Click on Use Template. This action will instantly apply the inventory management setup to your new board. From here, you can begin customizing the board by adding specific items, categories, or workflows that fit your particular inventory needs. And just like that, you're all set up with Monday.com for effective inventory management. Remember, the key to successful inventory management is not just in setting it up, but also in continuously updating and adjusting your board as your business evolves. Happy organizing!